Hello, savers. Welcome back to Budget with Soph. If you are new here, my name is Sophia and this is my channel. Today, we are going to budget paycheck for February number 1, and we are going to cash stuff today. This is the first time doing a video like this. Usually on my channel, we do budgeting, we do cash stuffing, we save our coins, and we side hustle. We do a lot of side hustling here because I am a single income household. I have no kids. I'm 31, but things are getting harder out here. So I decided to go on with this journey. So if this is anything you are interested in, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Now let's get out our budgeting sheet for February. I don't know what is happening with this paper. I didn't want to waste it, so this is what we're gonna use today. We are going to budget our paycheck. And our paycheck our first paycheck was a little lower than usual, so I'm not really sure what's going on with that, but it was $1,188.58. We did not have any side hustle for that week, so we will see what happens next. So our total is $1,188.58. For our rent this paycheck, we put in $375. We paid Canva, $12.99. We paid Google Photos, which was $1.99. We paid our car payment, which was $329.79. We put $50 towards gas, not electric. We didn't pay electric yet, so the next paycheck we will cover that. For our iCloud, we also paid that, which was $2.99. We did not pay our cell phone. And we did not pay we paid our internet, which was increased. I'm not really sure what happened there, but yeah. So that is it for our bills. So we had $375 plus $12.99. So we paid $871.89 for bills. For debt, we paid our Blue credit card $30, and we paid our Uplift account, which was $81.61. So when we add 81.63 plus 30, we get $101.11.63. So when we add those two together, we will see how much we have left, and then we will see how much we cash stuff and budget. So I write those down here. Income was 1. Bills was 8. Expenses, we're not doing that. We're not doing expenses, but we are saving. So let's just see. So we have 188.58 minus 871.89. So that's $316 after all my bills that we paid for this paycheck, minus the $111.63. So we have $205.06. So today we are going to cash stuff $150. So we're going to cash stuff $150. And then 55 .06 is going to be in our buffer. So then we are going to cash stuff our groceries, you know, all that, the daily cash, and then the savings. So for groceries, I'm going to put 20 because today is the 18th and this paycheck was from February. I forgot to put that in the beginning, 10th. And our next is going to be February 26, I believe. I'm not 100% sure because I forgot to check that. But we're only going to put $20 for groceries. We're going to put $10 for pet care. We're going to do 20 for gas because I have been Ubering, so I feel like I've been using a lot of gas. Household, we are going to put 10. Beauty is going to get 20. And personal is going to get $10 this paycheck. So for our savings, we are going to do 20. For a car emergency, we are going to do 10. We're going to do 10 for our monthly. And for Christmas, we are going to do $20. And that will equal to, $20, $40, $60 in savings. And we paid $111.63 in debt, and then we buffered $55. So yeah, that's basically for anything that I forgot that comes out automatically, or I use my card to go out for whatever reason. I don't really go out, but yeah, that would make our budget zero out. So we can do the math again. So we have 188, 58 minus 871.81 equals, and then minus 150, and then we minus and then we zero out with the 55.06. I don't know what I just did, but that should be zero. So we're going to put this to the side, and we are going to pull out our cash. We have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. It's 100. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 150. So we are going to take out our daily cash. For groceries, we are going to take out whatever is left. Put it right here, and we are going to do $20 for grocery. For pet care, we had nothing left. We are going to do $10 for pet care. We have gas next. We're going to do $20 for gas. We have household next. We're going to do $10 for household. We have beauty next. We're going to do $20 for beauty. And we have personal. And we are going to do $10 for personal. And that is it for our daily cash. Whew, this is the fastest cashing I'll ever do. And we always do our savings binder. So our weekly, we're going to do $20 for weekly. So we have 100, 220, 5, 30, 1, 2, 3. So 233 in our weekly. Our goal was $1,000 for this. So yeah, car emergency, we are going to get $10. So we have 2, 4, 6, no, 2, 4, 5, 6. So $560. $500 is in my bank. So yeah, monthly we are going to get $10. And we have 2, 4, 6, 7, 5, 8, 9, 7, 5, 6, 7, 8. So $78 in monthly. And last, we are going to do Christmas. And Christmas is going to get $20. So we have $2 for $65 in Christmas. That is it for our video today for our paycheck. So we are going to put these $2 in my rollover envelope, which will give us 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, $14 in rollover. So thank you guys for watching. Do subscribe, do comment. Our next video will be a side hustle stuffing. So I'll talk to you guys in another video. Bye.